How to update your Zangi profile information. Okay, let's get straight into how you can update your profile information in Zangi. It's pretty simple. First thing, open up your Zangi app. Let me open mine. And once you're inside the Zangi app, you will need to find the setting or the menu section. Here you can see a gear icon on the bottom right corner. Over here, tap on it. That will open up your settings section. Once you're in the settings section, you will see a profile which is just below your private number. Simply tap on it. This is where you will see your current details. To make changes, you will usually see a edit button or a pencil icon which is in top right corner. It's over here, tap on it. And from here you can change the things. Want to update your name? You can just tap on it and delete this one and rewrite your name over here. And if you want to change the profile picture, simply tap on edit right over here and it will be changed. After you have made your changes, this is important. Make sure you save. For that, you will see a check mark icon in top right corner. It's over here, tap on it and it will be set. Right now I didn't change much of the information, but this is the whole process. I hope this helped you, and that's it. Your profile icon should now be updated with your new information. Give it a try and see if it works for you or not. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.